There is a skewjit that nobody dare to talk about, no one want to admit HIS. But is we need to discuss if we want to survive in the future, it is, it now. In this very moment is the only place in Europe. Yes. Even your, this isn't science fiction. This isn't something that will happen in the far future. This is already happening. You may have experienced it yourself. But you were too caught up in the moment to notice what had occurred. You probably hast just it. Of us another day at the office, but reason is still in Europe, not in some of you, in your fast kind of way. But be cutely working in the shadows, keeping into your daily routine. Often without vendredi realizing it. In fact, it is so good at what it does that most people have no idea they are being replaced at it is. Too late. The real kicker is that I isn't just coming for the low-skilled workers. Advancing so quickly that white collar robots phase. In fact, there is a good chance that I could end up replacing you regardless of how hard you try to fight it. So you have to ask yourself, are you ready to be replaced by a machine? Or perhaps a better question would be, are you ready for what comes after? Have you ever found yourself doing a task over and over again every single day? Maybe answering emails or maybe data entry. These tasks are important, sure. But they don't require my brainpower. They is a kind of in that any time. The courage I could do first too, and this is exactly why I is replacing them, machine are. At these kind of simple repetitive tasks, they don't need breaks. Holidays or weekend off, they has to work, and because they is constantly improving health, able to do these tasks better than human can. For example, did you know that Japan is already using a robot to assist with surgery? These robots are able to perform certain procedures with great precision than human doctor, whereas led to few complications and better patient outcomes. That doesn't mean that human surgeons are becoming obsolete as yet, but it does show that he is capable of performing tasks that were thought to be exclusive to human. What about those who claim that I can NVR replace creativity? Creativity is an essential aspect of many jobs, particularly those in the art and entertainment industry such as writers, designers and musicians. HOWVR is starting to make enjoying this feel as well. For instance, iPod tools are now able to generate unique and original music, artwork and even written content. While these creations may not yet be on par with those of the human counterpart, they are rapidly improving and have the potential to one day perform human in these areas. But what about jobs that require more complex decision-making ability, such management and leadership position, present in the nature of work health, automating routine tasks and augmenting human intelligence rather than completely replacing it. As a result, the skills that are in demand are also in employees are looking for people who can work alongside and leverage a capability to their advantage. Those who are able to adapt and acquire the necessary skills will be in high demand and will thrive in the powered economy. Those who fight to adapt will become obsolete. With the reality, the rise of premier technologies transforming the global economy and creating both opportunity and challenge for workers around the world, is in the nature of work health, automating routine tasks and augmenting human intelligence rather than completely replacing it. As a result, the skills that are in demand are also in employees are looking for people who can work alongside and leverage a capability to their advantage. Those who are able to adapt and acquire the necessary skills will thrive in the powered economy. But those who fight to adapt will get left behind when it comes to the future of work. There's no denying that AI is poised to play a major role, but instead of fusing AI, we should be learning how to work with it. After all, AI isn't going anywhere, so the best thing we can do is to learn how to read the wave and come out on top. If you understand this and take action today, you can position yourself to take advantage of the opportunities that AI will create. But if you ignore this warning, well, then you only have yourself to blame when AI takes your job. So how can you tell if AI is about to take your job? Well, research is saying that you should watch out for, first off, your job involves a lot of routine. If your day-to-day tasks are pretty much the same every day, then you might be in danger. AI is usually good at handling repetitive tasks, So likely to take over soon as than latte. Secondly, you rob involve dealing with large amount of data. If you find yourself drowning in paperwork or cleaning numbers all day long, then you might be sitting in the hot seat. I can process data faster and more accurately than human, so you might be next on the hopping block. Finally, your job require you to interact with customer or client. If you spend most of your time on the phone or in meetings, then you might want to start brushing upon your people skills. About chatbots and visual assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated and could soon be handling many of the interactions that we currently do. If you recognize any of these signs, then you need to take action fast. Don't wait until la time has already taken over your job. Instead, use these signs as a wake-up call to start planning for the future. The first step you need to take is to identify the tasks that make up your current job and assess where these tasks are most vulnerable to automation. By doing this, you can get a sense of what change you might need to make in order to stay ahead of the curve. Next, you need to start developing new skills that will make you less replaceable. This might mean learning how to work with AI-powered tools or developing skills that are more difficult for machines to replicate, such as creativity or emotional intelligence. Finally, you need to start thinking about how you can add value to your current employee in new and innovative ways. By taking this step, you can ensure that you remain a valuable asset to your employee and that your job is secure. Remember, he is not the enemy. He's simply a tool that is ready to stay, so don't let fear get the best of you. Instead, embrace the change and use it to your advantage. Now, some of you are probably thinking, yeah, I might be able to replace some job. But not mean, I am just too good at what I do. Just me. No one is safe. Even the most skilled professional are at risk of being replaced by sooner. Latte, is not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Take doctor. For example, they have years of training and experience. But even they are not into a, just think about it. Doctors have to get on with papers to stay up to date with the latest medical advancement. But I can do this faster and more efficiently. Plus. AI-powered diagnostic tools are already being used in hospital to help the doctor detect diseases early and more accurately. Furthermore, I can also analyze patient data to develop personalized treatment plan. This means that doctors simply don't have the time to do and they're not forget about robotic surgery. We is becoming more and more precise and efficient. The bottom line is that AI is poised to revolutionize the medical industry and doctors need to get on board or risk being replaced. The same goes for lawyers. They are expected to review countless documents to prepare for a case. But I can sift through all that paperwork in a matter of seconds. I can also analyze legal gist. Then a case law to help lawyers build a strong case. Plus. AI-powered tools are being developed to help lawyers draft contract and the legal document more efficiently. The truth is going to change the legal industry forever. Lawyers who refuse to adapt will be left behind, sooner or later. Even highly skilled professionals will need to learn how to work alongside or risk losing their job. Let's face it, no job is safe anymore. It is advancing at a rapid pace and it won't stop until it is replaced. FG job on the planet, and the scariest part. You might not even realize it happening. On the EULL week, and suddenly you're out of a. Or because I has taken over. It's transforming the global economy and no job is safe from me. Impact. Some job will be lost as I takes over, but new ones will emerge as well. To stay ahead of the curve. Keep learning and adapting to the changing world of work. We all know that resisting change is futile, so instead of wasting our time fighting it, we should focus on learning how to work alongside and leverage capability to our advantage. Don't worry. The future isn't as bleak as it seems. There are still plenty of jobs that can't replace. At least not yet. For example, any that require human touch. Employee or creativity is safe for now. So if you are a artist or therapist, don't worry. I can't replace you anytime soon. Of course, this doesn't mean that you shouldn't learn how to work with it. On the contrary, be learning how to use it to your advantage. You can become even more valuable in your field. So what are you waiting for? Start learning about it today and secure your future. Also, Please leave us a comment below to tell us what you think about this topic. Is I really placing? Rob. If yes, what kind of hobby is it? We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.